Hello everyone, welcome to Simply Orchids Etc. I have a special Christmas unboxing with you guys. I just received this package today, which is Thursday the 18th, so it's an early Christmas gift to myself, and also you won't be seeing this unboxing until next Friday, which is after Christmas actually. So anyway, I would like to share this with you guys, and let's go for it, shall we? I know I've been doing a lot of unboxing, and it's just rebuilding my collection again. And for me, I love watching other people unbox as well, and I find it interesting because you get ideas of what kind of orchids you want to try out for yourself, you know, and that's how I see it. And majority of my orchids are Phalaenopsis, but you know, I just choose and pick which one I think I can grow indoor, because the majority of my orchids are indoor orchids. So here is the first one I'm gonna open. It's kind of damp though, and a little cold. I don't know if I mentioned, this is from Hauserman Orchids once again, and one of my favorite vendors, as you probably noticed. I've been ordering a lot from them, and the prices is really good actually compared to other vendors. And I used to shop a lot with what's the other one, Norman's Orchids, and their orchids are so pricey now, and I've been looking at their orchids, and I haven't purchased from them in a while, since I think I would say 2022, I think, the last time I ordered from them. And they are expensive these days. Even their Phalaenopsis orchids are expensive. So yeah, I haven't ordered from them in a while. But Hauserman, they still affordable as far as when it comes to orchids. So that's why I like them. Their price is reasonable. So as you can see, we opened this one. Let me take off the tape, and hopefully I can find the label. Yeah, I have noticed orchids has gotten a little more expensive. Actually, not a little more, a lot more expensive. I guess that's a trend with everything else. Everything else is expensive, so I guess why not? Orchids will be expensive as well. Yeah, let me cut this off. Or maybe I can slip it off. Let me see. Oh yeah, I can slip it off. Yeah, this is a little damp. As probably you can tell. And here is the label right here. You could probably tell this is a Cymbidium. Ooh, it's really wet. I have to wipe the label because it's kind of dirty. So here is the label right here. It's called Sweet Vanessa #1. And here is Sweet Vanessa. It's a Cymbidium, and it looks like she's a good size Cymbidium. And the pot, it looks like it's a 5-inch pot maybe. And she looks really healthy. Yeah, I've been wanting to add to my Cymbidium as well, because I only have one outside the I've been growing for the last, oh, I don't know, about, I think 5 years, I think, or more. And she hasn't flowered for me yet. Okay, so, yeah, that one is kind of... Okay, let's open the next one. Oh, this one is wet too. Okay, here's another one. I hope you guys will be enjoying your Christmas or holiday, whichever you guys are celebrating. I know some don't celebrate Christmas, but I wish you guys well as well. You know, I think last week is Hanukkah, I believe. Yeah, this one, I'm glad I'm putting it over the box because it's kind of dumping some dirt. Ooh, this is a big one. This one has newspaper as well. Oh, it's good that they put paper actually because it has the bark chips so they don't go anywhere. Yeah. Okay. Actually, this one is mixed with small bark chips and regular soil. I didn't know you can put soil in Cymbidium. I thought it's only bark. I learned something new. I didn't know. But anyway, it is a Cymbidium. It's a lot bigger than the other one. This one is called Enzen Forest. That's the name. And yeah, and this one is huge. Oh my gosh. This is huge. Here, let me push. This is how big it is. Yep. Okay. Let me put this. Oh, it's spinning. Okay. All right. Let me put this aside over here next to the other one. Okay. So here's the next one. Oh, I put this up. I hope nothing came out. I kind of put it upside down. This one is kind of wet as well. I know a lot of times the Cymbidium, you could keep them outside. And they have to be a certain temperature though. They can't be outside when it's really cold. Oh yeah, I did put it upside down and more dirt came out. I'm gonna have to put this in put an inner pot for this one because it has a lot of. This one is about the same size as the first one, actually. I need to take out that label before I accidentally lose it. Oops, sorry. Let me take some of the dirt. And this is kind of wet. All right, so this is the next one here. Yeah, it's the same size as the other one, and it looks like it has a new growth right there. And that one. I wonder if this is a spike. No, this one. I wonder if this is a spike. I hope it is. Oh, that would be nice to see a Cymbidium spike. Here, let me clean this off a little, this label. Okay. So this particular Cymbidium is called Black Cloud Remake. So yeah, it didn't say there have any spike, but they did it did say on the online it's a blooming size, so I'm hoping maybe it's a spike. I'm not sure yet though. Let me get another newspaper over here. I'm gonna have to put a mask on this one, all three of them, because they have holes in the bottom that the dirt comes out. Wow. Okay, I think I got one more. Let's see if I can find it. I did order. Yeah, it's right here. Oh, why is it wet? Yeah, this is one of the smallest one. Let's see if I can pull it. Yeah, even this part is wet. I hope the crown didn't get affected by this being wet. You just have to wipe it, I guess. But anyway, here she is. You're probably wondering what she is. Let me show you who she is. The label is right here. Phalaenopsis Philippinsi, meaning she's from the Philippines. But I love the modeling of the leaves. It's so pretty. Even when she's not in bloom, she's still gorgeous. I love that modeling. This is why I ordered this one, because of that. So that's my whole, I think that's everything. Yep, it's everything. So let me show you everyone over here. Let me turn you up a little. There we go. So they're all my new addition orchid, including my Phalaenopsis that you can barely see right there. But anyway, I hope you guys have a safe and what am I trying to say? I wish you guys a happy holiday, and I hope you guys are safe and enjoying your family in this special day or holiday, should I say. I am tongue twisted today. I'm sorry. But anyway, thank you for watching. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and push that like button as well, because it does help with my video. And push that notification bell so you'll know when I upload my next video. Till next time, again, Merry Christmas. Wish you guys a safe holiday, and friends and family. Enjoy yourself, and I'll see you next time. Till then, happy growing. Bye.